most welcome back to in our the table view section in our table view app. Now open the existing project. Yeah, in last section we will discuss how to create the new view controller and how to drag and drop a table view controller here to the search engine and how to create a new classes according to this. If you see the effect, view controller means the subclass of a UI view controller. Only two method view did load by default and did receive the memory warning. Here if you see in the UI table view controller, first method UI is the UI table view controller is the subclass. Now first method same view did load. Second method also same. Third method here to mark table view data source. We are discussing first we are setting the how to set the new class main dot storyboard. Click on our go in this search here the table view controller. Save and move here. First we are the checking is my table view is working or not. Then we will the later discuss about other things. Now just I am printing one message. Print. Hey, it's working. Hey, it's working. iPhone 6 to 6s. You can test with 6s or 6s plus also. Hey, it's working. Now it's working. If you see the look like table view, yeah, it's cell indicator separator. Now third one is here some of the by default method with UI table view controller. First is number of section in table view. Second is table view UI number of rows in section. Now we are the discussing one. First one number of section in table view. How many sections we want in the one row? You can see here the how many sections you want. See for example, I am keeping just one. Second one is the table view number of rows in section. How many rows we want? How many rows we want in table view? You can see that if we have the sum of the array, then we can set the array dot count also. Now we are just testing purpose checking. For example, I am setting the 7. Means I want the 7 for the testing. Third one is comment also here. We want to this uncomment. Override function table view, UI table view, cell for row at the index path and index path UI table view cell. Table view dot cell, table view dot dq reusable cell with identifier. This is identifier and index path. What is the cell? If you see in any other application related to table view, related to list of the data, what is this custom layout? One image view, one text view, one button, one checkbox, whatever the content inside showing. This is called as the table view. Now I am just showing one example. Open is just iTunes. This time open the face. Oh, net is very slow. Now you see it's loading. Sorry, it's not loading. You can see in any other this time. Sorry, net is very low. Here, cooking gas, something. Any other table view, yeah, it's loading. Let's click. So many screenshots here this time. Now it's loading. Mhm. First we discussing we are now first we will just tell you see. If you see here, click on this table view, open the detail table view. Inside table view cell. This is called as the table view cell. See, this is the content up to here. You can see here to here. This is called as a one cell. This is whatever there is in first activity is loading. This one is the cell. Here the multiple data and dynamic data managing the cell. This is the custom layout of the cell. First one image, second one text is the label text, third one also the label text, this one also the one label text, this one image. Here some of these are the button emotions button, and then also the label comment. Just this is the called as up to here. You can see this one is the one custom cell. Now we are moving to cell. This is the if you open the table view, inside table view cell. Mhm. Just if you click and see here the class. Mm, Class will the later discuss how to set the custom class with table view. Now we are talking about the identifier. How to set the identifier with the table view and setting just cell. This is the identifier of the cell. See, just tell you. Here the so many options. If you see the style, which style we want, custom, basic, right details, left details. Identifies a selection, default, none. Whenever we are the click on the list view itself, then here the gray or blue, which one we want? Hmm. Accessories. eh, just first we are the testing, checking, and then we will the discuss one by one properties all about the table view. Now just we are the testing. Yeah, see here the cell table view dot dq reusable cell with identifier. Our cell name is the cell for index path link. Now I am setting the iPhone providing some of the by default layout for the cell. First we are the discussing by default layout one. We can set the one image, one label text, one also the detail label text. Now we are the how to set the first cell dot label text label dot text. Now we are testing just and then test. Run and check and verify is it working. Hey, it's working. You see, you can see the correct effect of the our table view. Number of rows in sections 7 1 2 3. This is the selection we kept normal to 7. We can see there is just a 7 then. In next section we will discuss some of the properties about the table view, how to share the table view image, how we can share the dynamic data to table view,